FunTaleKids. 5 little monkeys swinging in the trees, laughing and playing in the jungle breeze. One slipped down and landed with a oh! Now there are 4 monkeys left to view. Swing, swing, monkeys play, jumping and laughing all the day. Count them down, one by one. Monkeys make jungle time so fun. 4 little monkeys climbing up high, reaching for bananas in the sunny sky. One tumbled down with a flip and a wee. Now there are 3 monkeys left to see. Swing, swing, monkeys play, jumping and laughing all the day. Count them down, one by one. Monkeys make jungle time so fun. 3 little monkeys playing near a stream, splashing and splashing like a playful dream. One jumped in and swam with a grin. Now there are 2 monkeys left to spin. 2 little monkeys skipping all around, chattering and laughing a joyful sound. One went off to nap in the shade. Now there's just 1 monkey left to stay. 1 little monkey dancing with glee, swinging on vines so wild and free. It waved goodbye and joined its friends. Now the monkey fun has come to an end. Swing, swing, monkeys play in the jungle every day. Count them up and sing along. Monkeys make our hearts feel strong. Four little monkeys climbing up high, reaching for bananas in the
For more video, do like subscribe my channel.